It's your girl, Shy. And today we're going to be trying to look for birds. So, there's one. Right up there. Hope you can see it. I'm going to zoom in. Right there. It's so cool. And then I hear some ducks, so that's cool. Ooh, I've seen a bird making its nest up in my house. Yes, I said in my house. That's cool for me, okay? You guys might think I'm a weirdo, but go ahead, think I'm a weirdo. There's one. I found one. Oh, don't fly away. Oh! Did you see that? Oh, wow, that was really good. That thing was really close. That thing is amazing from here. There's some birds up there. Zooming in. Zoom time. Right up there. Right there. There's some birds. My house is perfect place for birds. To go bird watching, because there's so many birds around here. It's coming closer. Oh, no, I thought it was. Never mind. Oh, but you guys thought this was going to be a trampoline video. Nope. It's a bird video. On the trampoline, you get a better view. Where is it? I see it. It's right there. Right there. See? Yeah! I got it on camera. Whoa! Whoa! I can do a front flip. Oh, look, it's moving. It moved. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That was awesome. I also have my basketball court. Oh, thought that was it. There's one right there. Hug! Where did it go? I think I lost it. Nope, it's right there. You guys can't see it, of course. Wow. It's probably blurry because when I zoom in, it gets kind of blurry. What's my camera? I think it was just my camera. Birds are amazing. I love to do this. And yes, the trampoline is new. Oh, but look, we got rid of our slide. You see it anywhere, we got rid of it. There's a whole bunch of junk of hunks. And then garage, dark and mysterious. Not really. Still. I hear it! There it is. Oh, wow. How come you guys cannot see it? I don't think it is my camera. It might be my camera. But it might not be my camera. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Let's go looking around. There's some up there, but you can't see them. Alright, guys. I think I'm going to end the video here with a little flip for you. Ready? Okay. Woo! I'm sorry. It didn't hold you. But it will this time. Once I set you right here, it should hold up. Just right. Yep, right there. Perfect. Ready? 1, 2. Oh! And thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye!